We probably seem the craziest of all the animals from their perspective when they look at our behavior. You know what I mean? Because like we show up places we don't belong. I don't feel like any other animal really does that, but we do that, you know? Like scuba diving. I'm sure fish swim by and they're like, what the fuck are you doing here? Look at yourself. And we're like, those are not your feet. Get the hell out of here. Come on. You've got all the land. Really? I mean, come on. Skydiving? I'm sure birds are like, that one's gonna die. Did you just see that? That's like, wow, that was dumb. I mean, bird watching, that's gotta be creepy for birds. I mean, what are we doing? These birds are just hanging out. We ignore them most of the time. Suddenly some like fat couple from Ohio is just obsessed with a bird.